Welcome back to the Bubble Daddy Soap YouTube channel. My name is Trevor, and today I'm making a soap that we have been calling the blue one. So I've gone ahead and got my oils to the right temperature and added some white mica. That's just mica coated with titanium dioxide that I got from Nurture Soap. It's the winter white mica powder. And I like this better than just straight titanium dioxide. For some reason, to me, it just gives a better color. It doesn't clump up as much as titanium dioxide does. It mixes in much easier. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my lye. Everything's sitting at the right temperature. Just going to pour down the neck of the stick blender. Just like that. And then I'm going to get this to a thin trace, and I will be back when it's there. Okay, so this is at thin trace. Now I'm going to measure some of it off and add my colorants. Okay, I've got my colorants added. To this one I've got some baby blue mica from Nurture Soap, and to this one I've got some, I think it's brilliant blue. Yeah, brilliant blue mica powder from Nurture Soap, and then I'm going to mix these in with the stick blender on low. Okay, now that I've got my colorants added and all mixed in, I'm going to go ahead and add my fragrance oil. And from here I'm going to work pretty fast because the fragrance oil supposedly accelerates just a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and speed on through this as fast as possible. Again, starting with the lightest color first. We go ahead and stir that in. There we go. Yeah, I can feel it starting to stand up on me already. Making quick work of this. Trying to get it good and incorporated. Now I'm going to take these two colors and I'm going to do an in the pot swirl. Just like that. Go ahead and scrape out the bowl. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a little stir, just like that, and then around the outside, because I want these to blend together a little bit when I pour them into the mold. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and pour this into the mold. Give that a little bit of a tamp down, and of course I'm making a huge mess, so that's whatever, I guess. So we're going to start there with 2 pounds in each mold. See, you can see it's starting to set up already. This does accelerate just a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit more to this one. Time to get the spatula. So this scent that I'm using is called Black Tie. It's from Nature's Garden Candle. And it is, it's like sort of hard to describe. It's like a nice, clean, soapy smell. It's got a very fresh, doesn't really smell like Irish Spring or Lever 2000 or any of those, but it's in the same vein. And yes, I'm splattering soap batter everywhere, because those of you who watch this, that's what I do. So go ahead and tamp that down really well. Okay, so that's the blue one. It should be available March 15th, I believe, is the date that we had set for this one. And so if you're watching this, it's probably already in the store. I tend to, whoops. I tend to put these up after the soaps are already available so that you can see it and then go buy it if you want. That's BubbleDaddySoapCompany.com. There's a link in the description. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to get notifications when I post a new video, which is multiple times a week, go ahead and hit that bell icon down below. Again, my name is Trevor with the Bubble Daddy Soap Company, and I will see you soon.